Hey, what's going on, David? My name's Kyle. I'm with Millsap Digital Marketing. I've been interested in your line of work. I've installed and refinished quite a few hardwood floors, so I do know what kind of work goes into it. I know what it's like dragging around a drum sander, orbital sander. But I wanted to reach out. I wanted to make you a video that's going to bring you and your business value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website and drive in even more traffic than you already do. The first thing I noticed about your website, it is clean and it is organized and easy to navigate, which is a good thing. I do have my first tip for you though. It's about content and keywords. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically, they want to see a lot of content. And websites with the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its end users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that the user needs. So I did a little bit of research to see what's going on. This tool here is called Ahrefs, and I use it to see what buyer intent keywords people are searching for in your area. And I looked up just hardwood Fort Collins, and I selected just 10 of them really quick. And just between these 10 keywords here that you can add into your content, it gives you about a 300 search volume organically per month. And there's a lot more keywords to be found with good search volume. So when someone clicks on your website, you need to make sure that it has everything that the end user needs. That's why I recommend that you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your website. When I go to your page and I press Command A, and then Command C to copy it, I'll go over here to the word counter and paste it into wordcounter.net. And you have 429 words on your page. So just by adding more content to your page, you will show Google that you have more of an authority, and it will help you beat out your competition. Alongside the content, you have the keywords that I showed you that you can spread throughout. Now, when I go to your website and I push Command F, that gives me the option to search for words on your website. So I typed in a buyer intent keyword, hardwood floor refinishing, Fort Collins, Colorado, and it does not come up on your website. So your Google is not reading it. You're missing out on those organic searches. So that is my tip 1 for you, is content and keywords. My second tip is backlinking. Backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Backlinks are very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest. Google is looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, this is actually a really trustworthy website. They offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google wants to see backlinks that are relevant to you and your niche, such as hardware floor companies linking back to you, or home improvement sites linking back to you. You don't want backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut. You're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. Another thing that we use Ahrefs for is the check backlinks. We mentioned it is a paid tool that we use. This is in the business, but there are free tools out there that you can use. Just Google backlink checker or keyword finder. You can be able to optimize your website by yourself. So on here, you have a URL rating of 18, which is the power going to your site. The DR rating is the domain rating, and it is the trust value that you're getting to your site. You want these numbers to be as close as possible, and you want them to continually grow. As of this moment, you have a traffic of 4 people going to your site organically. You have 29 referring domains giving you 132 backlinks. So I searched your competitor, the number 1 guy, and he has, he has 752 referring domains, giving him 15,000 backlinks. He has a UR rating of 4 and a domain rating of 27, which the ratio, to be honest, it's not good. But he has a high traffic, organic traffic. He has over 6,000 people coming into his site. But how do you go and you get these backlinks? So you can go into his referring domains, and every single one of these websites is a backlink. It has his website listed in there pointing back to his site. So you can go in and you can do this yourself. You can go to every single one of these websites and you can get a link pointing back to your website, giving you a backlink. How do you do that? Well, some of these you can go in, you can create a profile. You just add your website to the profile, giving you a backlink. Some of them you have to go to the contact us and email the owner, and the owner might hit you back with a small fee to be able to post your website on the page. So my third tip for you is citations. Getting to the number one spot on the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. This is important. This is the, in my opinion, the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me and you're trying to find something new that you've never used or somewhere you haven't gone before and you want to go in a search bar and type in what you're looking for. Say, I wanted to get my hardwood floors refinished, but I don't know anybody. So I would type in hardwood floor refinishing near me. I would go straight to the map pack because that's what my eyes go to first. And I'd go to this first person because that just seems trustworthy to me. So how do you beat that person out? It's easy. You just have to get more citations than them. And a citation, all it is your business name, your address, and your phone number listed in directories throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Facebook, White Pages, Yelp, areas like that. So I hope this was helpful. This is just a quick recap. Blow your competition out of the water. Get 1,500, 2,000 words on your home page with buyer intent keywords. Get all the backlinks that Footprints floor has. And finally, add your business name, the address, the phone number, all spelled the same all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, you will blow your competition out of the water. So you're wondering what to do now? You have 2 options. You can take all this information that I gave you, apply it yourself. I totally invite you to do it. It does take some time to do, so I'd advise you to get started sooner than later, because it does going to take some time to rank up. But the sooner you rank up, the more people are going to visit your website, the more jobs you're going to be able to bid on, which in turn is going to bring in more value, more money to your business. If you do want this stuff done, but you just don't have the time to do it, you want to sit down and have somebody else do it or talk to somebody about it, you're more than welcome to give me a call back. My phone number is 480-822-9516. I'd be more than happy to hear your goals and come up with an attack plan for you. David, thanks for watching. You have a good day.